For tonight's meal at Campfire Cooking, I'm going to make something super easy that anyone can do. It is just basically beef stew. And all you need is go to the grocery store before you go camping, get yourself some pre-cut beef. I have some onions already cut and some carrots and potatoes, and I have it all in this container right here. And I have a can of corn as well. And to top things off, I just bought some regular beef stew mix that I'm gonna put in. The first thing you need to do is get a nice cast iron skillet and just pour some oil in there. It's just about 2 tablespoons. And I have a fire going behind me that's been going for about an hour now, so the coals are getting really nice and hot. Next thing you do, take your beef, dump it in, put a lid on it, and we're gonna take it over the fire and put it on the fire. Okay, this fire looks really good. The coals are getting nice and hot. I flip the grate over. Love these grates. Let's just put our beef right on top. Always remember that you need a stir stick and a nice mitt to be able to grab this hot lid. We're gonna let this cook and wait until it gets a little brown on all sides. We're gonna constantly stir it. Once that meat is browned up, we're gonna throw in 3 cups of water, the stew mix and the vegetables, and it's gonna cook for about 45 minutes. The beef is really starting to sizzle. Take the lid off, it's looking great. Give it a bit of a stir. We just wanna brown it on all sides because it'll cook with the vegetables we put in. Give that another 5 or 10 minutes. The beef has been cooking for about 20 minutes now, and it is looking amazing while suffocating with the smoke. Let me show you. Look at that. It looks really great. I'm not gonna worry about draining off any of the fat or the grease. That's just gonna make it even taste better. So I'm just going to dump in all my vegetables. It's like that. Dump in my corn. We need 3 cups of water. 1, 2, 3. 3 cups, that was perfect amount. And finally, just add in your beef stew mix. Take your stir stick, whatever utensil you have, give it a nice mix, and we're gonna let that cook for 45 minutes. Let's go ahead and get this lid back on. It has been 45 minutes. The sun's starting to go down. The stew is ready. Check this out, it looks amazing. Okay, let's get it over to the table and try it out. I am absolutely famished. Here it is. Wow, it looks just stupendous. Get some potatoes in there, carrots, some onions, some beef. All right, look at that. Let's try it and see how it is. Oh, the potatoes are absolutely amazing. They're cooked perfectly. I'm sure it's really hot. Wow. Really good. The beef cooked up perfectly. The carrots. This is an amazing meal to have when you're camping. It is so easy to do. It's absolutely delicious. Everyone will love this. Plus, you know, the beef, you can make this vegetarian if you want. You know, the beef, you can buy vegetarian beef. But I really like my regular beef. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for future notifications. Have a wonderful time campfire cooking. Wow.